Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the compass. The diagram below is a basic compass. It shows the four main directions of north, south, east and west. There are four other directions which are at 45 degrees to the main directions mentioned above. And the other directions are northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. And it's important to note that each of these angles here, there are 8 of them, they're all 45 degrees. Full revolution. One full revolution of a compass is 360 degrees. So, if you start at the tip of the red arrow that points north, then rotate in a clockwise direction till you arrive back at the start, you have made a rotation of 360 degrees. So basically if you start there and rotate all the way around back to the start, then you have made a rotation of 360 degrees. Now I've repeated the diagram here because we've got a few questions to answer, and that's for ease of reference. Question 1. What is the size of the smaller angle between west and northwest? Right, there's west, there's northwest, there's the angle, and that's 45 degrees. What is the size of the smaller angle between southwest and southeast? There's southwest, there's southeast. The smaller angle comprises those two. When you add those together, you get 90 degrees. Question 3. What is the size of the angle between north and south? So north and south, you're basically going that far, which is really half a revolution, so that's 180 degrees. Now here I have a very basic map, and here we have a compass, and let's answer some questions. Find the direction of the stated place from the indicated coloured dots. Here are some coloured dots here, a black one, a yellow one, and a red one. First question. The direction of the house from the red dot. Okay, there's the red dot. Now let's work out where the house is. There it is up there. So we use the red dot as the reference point. Since you're going in that direction, if you check the compass, that's north. So that's the answer. The direction of the post office from the red dot. Okay, there is the red dot. There's the post office. If the red dot's in the centre, the post office is in that direction, which is northeast. The direction of the police from the yellow dot. There's the yellow dot. There's the police. The yellow dot in the centre, that's the direction of the police, and that's east. The direction of the school from the black dot. There's the black dot. There's the school. If the black dot was in the centre, the school is in that direction, so it's south. So they're just some basic information about the compass and some of the main directions on the compass. Very, very handy when you're trying to do some map reading and locate particular points on the map.